What's up, YouTubers? Finally got the 1965 Impala in the garage. I actually kicked the 66 Impala out. So I'm going to start doing a build on here on this post-like video. What I'm going to talk about today is my plan of attack on this. First thing I'm going to do is make sure from the bottom of this floor to the floor, take a measurement and make sure when I get ready to actually pull this whole panel out, when I install it back in, it'll be the same exact measurements. So anyway, here's my plan of attack. My plan of attack is to, as you can see, the trunk pan. So it's just my decision to go ahead and restore the whole floor in here. So at these ends here, same with over there, they got spot welds. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind those, see if I can find the spot welds and start on those. Same as this here, the reinforcement that bolts the head to the rear panel of the car itself. Same as here, the lock mechanism, and here as well. I'm gonna drill the spot welds out, free it up, all three of them, and way back here I have that. I don't know where that goes to. It just kind of goes in a loop and goes back down, so I'm going to have to investigate that. I got that little piece, that little tab there, I got to break loose from the spot welds. Same thing with over there as well with the spot welds. Now this little line, you can see it, that's cocking, and it goes all the way down, so I'm going to have to remove that as well. And it might be a spot welds in those, so I'm going to go ahead and sand those down and see if I can find those. Because I pretty much got everything. I got the trunk panel, I got the braces, and I got the tail panel back here that actually bolts up to the frame itself. So once I free the bottom up there, then I'm going to actually cut. This line meets this way and it goes down. So I'm going to cut somewhere in the middle here all the way. I might actually just cut here and then go down, and I will have to go behind here because there's a trunk filler behind here that this technically is supposed to be welded, but it's kind of rotted out, so I might just go ahead and cut that off, and I should be able to actually take the trunk out. And while I'm pulling the trunk out, I got to take this off, so it's going to look like this here. I can actually take this off now. So yeah, I got this whole panel here, and it came with these as well, brand new ones. But I think I might just stick with if these are still good, I think I might just go ahead and use these. I don't know how the new production is. I got it from Classic Industries, but when I looked at it, they look really good. They do really good quality job on their quarter panels. But I'm not advertising for them, just letting everybody know. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and break these spot welds off as well. And it actually goes from down here in this little crease here. There's cocking in here, so I gotta take that out. Once I do that, then this whole piece is actually gonna pull out and it'll disconnect from the tail panel as well. I got my floor panels up there. Oh, and it came with braces there, little small braces. Those areas is actually where it actually there's a brace underneath it, and you weld the brace to the floor pan, which I already got, that's new, and it goes in that section there. So I will have to grab my braces, weld them to the floor, and then do that as well. So hopefully my measurements from the floor to the bottom of the floor panel is correct. This is all I got right now. I will have my brother working with me, helping me out. So he'll be my camera guy. Just bear with me because I'm doing this from a cell phone. So then my next one after this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish on my rear deck panel here. I already actually have it. Took it apart. So I'm gonna address this as well. Fits in there perfect, but it's still a little adjustments that I have to do. But other than that, I think I have it all planned out. Spot weld those. I'm sorry, take the spot welds out. Take the spot welds out of that and the other side. I'm gonna cut maybe in the middle section here and then cut the whole trunk. Pull it out. Once I pull it out, I have this area here exposed. So I may have to put some rods in, make sure the back end doesn't flop around. And then a new panel, once I get everything welded together into one whole panel, I should be able to actually just slide it right in. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm only going to keep this under 10 minutes. I'll make a couple shots and see if I could get it in the videos of me actually doing the work. So that way it's y'all see me hands on if y'all ever want to tackle a job like this. So there you have it. Trunk, floor, panel, remove, restore. If y'all have any comments, anything that y'all may see that may be easier, just let me know. I gladly appreciate y'all watching this. Please subscribe. I'll have plenty of more. I do a lot of car shows, so I might make videos of that as well. And handiwork as well around the house. So, y'all take it easy and have a good day. And I'll keep them coming. All right. Bye.